In this video, we'll talk about how to plot coordinates on a grid. So in this grid here, we have the points A, B, and C. And the question is, points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of A, B, and C? So to find the coordinates of A, first you have to find the x coordinate of A. So we'll just put it here as A. To find the x coordinate of A, we just start off at A and then draw a line that comes down all to the x-axis. So there's at -3. So it's at -3. And then we need the y coordinate of A. So we just draw a line from this point all the way to the y-axis. And that crosses the y-axis at 2. So the coordinates of point A are -3, 2. And then again, we can find the coordinates of point B. So if we just draw a line from B all the way down to the x-axis, so the first number of the pair is always the x-coordinate, we come down to 1. So we'll just have 1, comma, and then we draw a line all the way to the y-axis, and that crosses the line at 2. So the coordinates of B are 1, 2. And then we have to find the coordinates of C. So the coordinates of C are, we just draw a line from C all the way to the x-axis. So here, that is 1. And the other the y coordinate of C is we just draw a line from C all the way to the y-axis, which crosses at -1. So we're looking for any of these answer options with A of -2, -3, 2, B of 1, 2, and C of 1, -1. So A of -2, -3, 2, B of 1, 2, and a C. So this one doesn't match because the C is 1, 1. How about this one? So we have an A of -3, 2, a B of 1, 2, and a C of 1, -1. So this is the correct answer. Number 4 is the correct answer. Points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of A, B, and C? So we have to find the coordinates of A. So we start off at A and go to the x-axis, so we at -2. And the y coordinate of A goes all the way to the y-axis. We have a 1 here. And the coordinates of B, we'll say B equals, so we start off at B and go all the way to the x-axis, and we get a 1. And if we start off at B and go all the way to the y-axis, we get a 3. And for C, we are already on the y-axis, so x is 0. And the y coordinate is -1. So we're looking for the answer choice with these coordinates. So A is -2, 1, B is 1, 3, and C is 0, -1. Oh, we're lucky. So the first one just matches. But just make sure you have the right coordinates and then pick the right answer choice. Points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of points A, B, and C? So to find the coordinates of A, we just start off at A and go to the x-axis. So we have A as -3, and then we have to go all the way to the y-axis from A, -3, y, 1. And for B, well, B, we're going to write B like this. Well, we have to start off at B and we're 2 on the x-axis. Let it just say we're 2 units away from the origin. So we're 1, 2 units away from the origin. And then we don't go up on the y-axis. We're here, where y is 0. So we'll just have this at 0. And then for C, so for C, we're already on the y-axis. So the coordinates of C are our x value. If we go from here to here, our x value is 0. And our y value is here, which is at 2. So we're looking for an answer choice with these answer options, with these coordinates. So we're looking for A of -3, 1, a B of 2, 0, and a C of 0, 2. So this is the correct answer choice. Number 3 is our correct answer choice. Points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of A, B, and C? So for A, we start off at A and we go up to -2 on the x-axis, and we go to -1 on the y-axis. For B, we start off at B and we go to 2 on the x-axis, and we actually go back to 2 on the y-axis. So B is 2, 2. And for C, we start off at, so if we just draw a line from C, we go to -1. So we have C, so we have -1. Oh, sorry, we have 1. This is not -1, this is 1. My bad, I read it wrong. So we have 1 here for C, and we go up to 3 here for the y coordinate. So we're looking for the answer choice with these coordinates. So A, -2, -1, B, 2, 2, C, 1, 3. So this is not correct. Well, that is not correct because our A value is off. We're looking for an A of -2, -1. So this one, a B of 2, 2, and a C of 1, 3. So this is our correct answer choice. Points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of A, B, and C? So for coordinates of A, we have -3, -1. For coordinates of B, we have -3, 2. And for coordinates of C, we have 1, 3. So -3, -1, so that cancels that one. That one's out of the running. And that one's out of the running too. Well, you could just scrape this one off because this is the correct answer choice. Yeah, number 2 is the correct answer choice. Points A, B, and C are plotted on the coordinate grid above. What are the coordinates of points A, B, and C? So, well, point A is -4, -1. Point B is -2, 1. And point C is at 1, -1. So we're looking for -4, 1. So this scrapes this out of the running. -4, -1, and it also scrapes this one out of the running. And then we're looking for B of -2, 1. So both are in the running. And then we're looking for a C of 1, -1. So this is the correct answer. So number 1 is the correct answer.